unmatched expertise, dedication, and commitment to excellence. Introducing Castle Property Agents' elite team in property management. My name is Elliot Wicks. I am the agency principal and director. Let's introduce you to the team.
My name is Pia Fortunato and I'm a senior asset manager at Castle Property Agents. I hold a diploma in legal studies and a certificate 3 in business, along with 6 years of experience in the real estate industry. I'm also currently pursuing a Bachelor of Law at Bond University. This unique blend of education and experience equips our elite team with exceptional insights and expertise, providing our clients with access to legal reasoning and a comprehensive knowledge base within the real estate industry.
Hi, I'm Liselle Harris, the Senior Asset Manager at Castle Property Agents. With over 30 years experience in the real estate industry, I bring unparalleled expertise and wealth of knowledge to the team, ensuring that our clients' investments are managed with the utmost care and professionalism. Holding a diploma in business and property services, along with multiple certifications in management and property acquisitions across 4 states, I am committed to providing exceptional service and informed advice. My goal is to ensure that you always have the information and support needed for a trouble-free tenancy and smooth letting experience.
Hi, I'm Reece Fairman and I'm the Operations Manager here at Castle Property Agents. With over a decade spent in the construction industry, I have an extensive understanding of property upkeep and maintenance and use this knowledge to bring a wealth of experience to the team. I take care of addressing property issues with a solutions-based approach, ensuring that the problem at hand is the most reasonable and affordable option for our client. Through this experience, I ensure that all of our clients are taken care of and pesky maintenance issues don't get in the way of making your investment work for you.
No matter your property needs or aspirations, our property management team is not only designed to cater to your individual needs, but provide you with a seamless, supportive, and exceptional customer service experience. Experience the Castle difference for yourself today with our elite team in property management.